In this video, we'll see how we can add unique images for variation in Shopify, and that will change automatically when you select variation like this. Let's go. So here I'm logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. And now we will add images in variation product. Now this is my product. Okay, here you can see. I will first create a variation of this product. Like this is a very simple product, as you can see. I want to add variation and the images as per variation in Shopify. For that, let's first create the variation. Suppose I will create a variation for color, yellow. Done. Nothing. Now I have created the variation. Just save it. And now when I go to my product here, you can see variation is showing, but when I change the variation, nothing changes. I want to change images on changing the variation. For that, here you can see current there is one image. Suppose I will add another image that would change. Okay. Suppose this is my another image. There are two images. To set up the variation image, what you need to go to scroll down. You can see you have created the variation. Now click on it and you can select the variation images only from the above images. You can't upload a new image for variation. If you add a new image, what will happen? Suppose I will try to add a new image here. So what will happen? I will show you. If I add here, okay, if I add image here, automatically it will be added here. So the variation image you can only select from the media. But if you select new variation image, automatically it will be added from to media. As of now, if I remove it from here, variation image will also be removed. So keep that in mind. Like if you want to update the variation image, that image must be updated in media. Now I've shared the variation image different for green and yellow. Now let's preview it. Here you can see now green. When I select yellow, it's changing. So that's how you can set up the unique variation images for each variation, and that will change on selecting variation. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.